Diolch, Llywydd. Trefnydd, I'd like to request a statement from the Deputy First Minister and Cabinet Secretary for Climate Change and Rural Affairs regarding water quality here in Wales. I recently met with a local environment specialist who had tested 2 streams at Broadhaven in my constituency, and those tests found, amongst other things, traces of E.coli. Of course, there are very serious public health implications regarding these results, and so it's absolutely vital that Natural Resources Wales undertakes urgent testing so that this issue can be dealt with as quickly as possible. Water quality should be a priority for the Welsh Government, and resources should be made available to Natural Resources Wales so that they can facilitate urgent water testing when evidence of harmful bacteria is actually presented to them. Now, I appreciate that the Deputy First Minister made a statement on water quality in June, but clearly things have now moved on, and so therefore I'd be grateful if we could have a statement from the Welsh Government so that we can be confident that Natural Resources Wales has the resources it needs to robustly manage our water sources and ensure that they are as safe as possible.
Diolch yn fawr, Paul Davies. And as you say, Deputy First Minister, very engaged in water quality, gave a statement back in June. It is a priority for this Welsh Government, and I'm sure he will want to update the Senedd on developments in relation to our levers and our responsibilities. But I think it will be timely, and of course you can also ask the questions to him at his oral Senedd questions, but I will raise this with him as an opportunity to update on water quality in Wales.